Right, so in the Paracube keyring video, somebody in the comments asked the question, why do you gut the paracord? Well, here's why. This is normal, this is gutted paracord with the insides taken out, and you can see how thin it is. This is normal paracord with the 7 strands of core still inside, and you can see the difference. It's like double the size. Okay, so that's one reason gutted paracord is a lot thinner and you can work better with it. The other reason is this. Now, I've tried to make a Paracube keyring with normal size paracord, and this is about the 5th attempt, and I just can't get it to look good. It's bobbly, it's really thick, it looks a complete mess. You can't do anything with this. Now, I have seen people try to sell Paracube keyrings with normal paracord on eBay and Etsy, and they just look absolutely terrible. So yeah, would you rather buy something like this on eBay or Etsy, or something like this on eBay and Etsy? Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you would like to learn how to make one of these Paracube keyrings, check out the video over there. If you would like to level up and try to do something more ambitious and make a super box weave keyring, check out the video over there. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.